Where are those papers? I've been trying to find them for hours.
Lainey, is everything okay?
Well, I am trying to find my notes so that I can study for your test.
Oh, calm down. Well, I can give you a copy of the notes, but I should let you know that next week I am implementing a new technology resource app that I hope will help you and your classmates get organized and eliminate stressful moments as this. It's called Evernote.
Never heard of it. What is it?
Well, it is a cloud storage application that allows users as yourself to add notes via text, audio, or images and organize them in an online file called Notebooks. It's also designed to remember everything and allow users to easily collect and find data on multiple devices.
That's awesome. How can we access this resource?
Well, Lainey, since the class is allowed to use tablets and phones, it's perfect. It can be used on Androids and personal computers and webs.
Oh, I have my tablet.
Oh, you do? Well, maybe I can give you a quick demonstration. Okay. Now, can you locate the Play Store?
Oh, I think so.
Great. Okay, and when you get to the Play Store, you want to look for the word apps. It's in green usually. Yeah, great. And when you get to apps, you want to go to the search button up in the top. You see it? Now type in Evernote. Great. Now, Lainey, if you notice, there are different icons there, apps there, right?
Yes.
But we want to make sure that we choose the one that has the elephant, but it needs to also say free. That's one of the benefits. You see it?
I do.
Great. Tap that. And the last thing we need to do is just hit the install button. Great. Okay. So now that it's downloading, you know what? Maybe we can see it on my screen since I already have it up. So even on the computer, once it's downloaded, you could just type in Evernote and then you click the login button. Now, Lainey, since it's logging in, I'll go ahead and just tell you that the only disadvantage is without power and internet connection, you're cut off from the database, okay?
Okay.
But the advantages it allows you to save and organize information in centralized locations. And you can do away with the sticky notes and pieces of paper you used to jot down information on.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, Lainey, now that we're in, if you notice on the side, there are different little tabs, okay? There's one for new notes. There's one for search. There's one for work chat. And that will be handy for when you and your classmates, or you may even have a question for me, or I may even have some notes or questions for the students. But what we want to do is we want to go down to notebooks, okay? We click on that. And the reason why we want to click on the notebooks is this will allow you to have notebooks for each subject. So we clicked on notebook, but what we want to do is we want to create a new notebook. So we go to the top right. You see where it says create notebook. We want to tap on that, click on that, and it says see title of your notebook. So we'll just put ELA test, maybe 3, right?
Okay.
And then we'll click create notebook. Okay, great. So see, we've created the notebook. And you can begin to start typing notes as soon as you create it. So here, in order to do so, we want to go back up to the top. You remember where I said new notes?
Yes.
We want to click that button. And there, what do you see?
Title your note.
So we're ready to start typing notes, right?
Yes.
So I'm just going to put ready because we're ready, right?
Yes, we are.
And so now that we've completed that, there in the top right, we have two options. There's an icon that allows us to share our notes or send a note. And then if there's an option that once we finish completing our notes, we can just click done.
I can't wait to use this.
Well, let's go down to make sure that we did create the notebooks. And you see here, I've already created a few notebooks for myself. So all the notebooks are here. So this will allow us to be very, very organized. And I think it will really be beneficial to you and the students. So would you like to demonstrate this next week to the class?
Sure.
Great.